In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get the best AI prompts and the secret to mastering Kling AI cinematic prompts. So let's just dive in. If you want to get something cinematic, you can see we got a lot of interesting stuff going on and we got this video for you. So let's just begin. So what you're going to do here is, first of all, you need to simply go back and head over to this video section. Once you are there, you can see the very first thing is you should upload a reference image. That is the most important thing. It is better to upload even one photo if you do not have any, to at least upload at least one photo. Now, once we upload that here, we're going to be heading over to our prompt section, and this is where the magic begins. Now, I'm sorry about that. So what I was saying that you can use in here, let's just say create a cinematic. Let's just first select an image. So I'm going to be adding something from my local storage here. So let's just assume that we got a couple of stuff here and I want to animate this Pokemon. Now with a cinematic fiery effect using the Pokemon. Now the story doesn't end here. You can use your DeepSeek integration to make this prompt even more better. You can see we have inspirations and presets, so we can use that as well. And you can see the DeepSeek is gonna be writing basically it is a blast story, so you can simply use this. And let me just copy this. Yeah, you can put it here and click on generate. So this is going to be giving you the best of the results. So let's just see what it is going to be doing, but that of course is going to be taking some time. But hey, that is the best tip that I can give you. Just hold on a bit until it is going to be generating and we are going to be getting the best result. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.